Now, dropshipping is a business model with incredible scaling potential, but figuring out which products to sell or how to set up your store can feel super overwhelming when you start out. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered platform called Doba that's helping dropshippers find trending products and actually scale their sales completely on autopilot? Well, guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how this new AI-powered dropshipping workflow works. Now, this includes actually setting up my own dropshipping business from scratch with Doba Pilot, sourcing dozens of winning products, and leveraging the latest AI tools to help launch my store. If you've ever wanted to try out dropshipping or you want to take an existing dropshipping business to the next level, you don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. So guys, I'll cut right to the chase, and the tool I'm going to be using to launch my dropshipping business in this video by leveraging AI is called Doba. Now, Doba has actually been around for about 20 years, so it's really a popular player in the dropshipping space, but it has some pretty exciting new AI features that I wanted to share in today's video. But AI aside, one of the real selling points of using Doba is that it focuses on finding US suppliers. For dropshippers, that means getting your product into the hands of your buyers faster than most other dropshipping platforms out there. And Doba also provides helpful resources that go above and beyond to help sellers find winning products, launch successful stores, and ultimately scale their dropshipping businesses. Now, Doba also has a ton of useful automation features that again make it a very robust platform to manage your dropshipping business. For example, Doba can help with product sourcing, inventory management, and inventory fulfillment. And it's an incredibly powerful platform for conducting research and finding the right products and niches to sell in, all backed by data. Now, Doba also just released a brand new product that helps you launch an entire dropshipping business from scratch just by using prompting. This tool is called Doba Pilot, and it's really what I want to focus on in today's video because, guys, it's honestly super powerful and a ton of fun to use. If you've ever wanted to launch a dropshipping business from scratch by using AI, Doba Pilot is definitely worth checking out. So let me hop into my dashboard and I'll show you guys exactly how it works, and we'll set up a store together. And so in terms of what Doba Pilot does, it basically lets you set up a dropshipping business from scratch, and it currently works with both Shopify and Ecommerce in terms of where your store is going to be hosted. Now, like I said, I want to set up my own dropshipping business to show you guys how this works, and all of this begins with simple prompting. And so I was thinking, I've been spending a lot of time in Cape Town, I've been hiking a ton these days, and so I actually want to make a dropshipping business with different hiking products and hiking gear because I think I can market it pretty effectively and capture some pretty cool hiking footage myself that I end up using for advertisements. All I have to do is tell Doba Pilot to build me a Shopify dropshipping business for hiking gear and products, and then its AI agent gets to work. That's right, it just begins with basic prompting, and from there the workflow is super simple. Doba asks you a couple of questions like what store niche and category your store is, the theme color you want, and which store banner you want to match your niche. From there, you create a Shopify account, so Doba actually has access to Shopify to build the store for you. Now again, you could do this on BigCommerce, but personally I prefer using Shopify, so this is what I recommend you guys use as well. This process is honestly super speedy and again, just takes a couple of clicks. Right now, Shopify is also running a 3-day free trial, so you can see what your Doba store looks like without paying. And after that, Shopify is only $1 per month for your first 3 months, so this is a very low cost side hustle to get up and running. Now, once you sign up for Shopify, all you need to do is download the Doba app to basically connect everything together. This app lets you connect your Doba account to your new Shopify account. And again, all of this is done just by clicking a couple of buttons and in about 30 seconds. Now that's the setup process, but this is where the actual fun begins because we're going to start sourcing products that we want to sell. And again, one of the main value adds of using Doba and Doba Pilot is that Doba has a vast network of suppliers and a vast database of winning products, so you can actually source products to sell that are backed by data. Again, it's all done by prompting, and I basically asked Doba to just find me some hiking products so I could quickly add something to my store and start building out the products I wanted to sell. Doba actually gave me over 50 results to choose from. I picked some hiking poles I wanted to list, and then I asked Doba to give me some camping gear and hiking apparel to also sell. This is honestly a great starting point for getting your store up and running, and you can see that Doba quickly populates the homepage with my new products and also creates unique product pages for all of the products I just imported. Again, this entire process just took a few minutes, which shows you how quickly you can actually get a store up and running with Doba, but we're not done yet because I really want to beef this thing up before going live. And so to source even more winning products for the new store I want to launch, we're going to use another Doba feature called Doba Pickr. And with Doba Pickr, you can basically search for niches or keywords and then find tons of products to add to your store to begin selling. All I did was search for hiking, and then Doba Pickr came back with over 1,000 results. You can then select products and add them to your inventory list with just a click. And from there, you can quickly import products from your inventory list right to your store. Again, this is super simple, and the amount of time you save in using something like Doba Pickr versus searching for products yourself and trying to find suppliers yourself is just absolutely insane. What I also like is that Doba lets you edit listing details before you push them live to your store. For example, you can use Doba's AI to actually optimize product titles and descriptions. You can also edit the product category or add tags. And you can also change the suggested price so you're selling at margins you want to sell at. On top of that, I really want to drive home the point that Doba is sourcing products that are actually backed by data. These are products with sales volume and actual traction, so you're not shooting in the dark, you're not trying to guess what the next winning product could be, you're actually using data to inform your decisions. And again, tons of these products come from suppliers in the US or Europe, so you're getting way faster shipping times than relying on suppliers only based in Asia. One thing I also love is that Doba highlights each product's price in the listings dashboard, as well as the profit margin you're at based on the price you have on your store. This also factors in shipping costs and makes it very easy to tweak your prices so you're operating at a margin that works for your business. But anyways, guys, I spent the next hour or so adding a bunch more products using Doba Pickr to my new Shopify dropshipping store. I also played around and added an about page, I put some of my products into categories, and I just tweaked the design a little bit more to match my vision. Again, Doba Pilot kind of laid the foundation for all of this, and it saved so much time versus doing it myself, and it's way faster and also way cheaper than hiring a freelancer to build your store for you. Now at this stage, I'm going to keep adding some products using Doba. I'm going to work on some of the content pages for my site as well, because I also want to build out a blog for this business to start promoting on social media. But again, I think it's super cool that Doba can basically get you a ready to advertise store in just a couple of hours. And again, it is actually making decisions backed by data, which is so necessary if you want to scale a successful dropshipping business. Now, Doba Pilot and Doba Pickr are two of my favorite ways you can actually leverage this platform to build and scale your new dropshipping store. But Doba also has tons of other useful features and lots of valuable data as well that I want to highlight really quickly. And so if you head over to the AI Tool Hub, you can find a bunch of really cool Doba features to leverage for your new store. For example, there's the AI Auto Lister, which actually lets you automate daily listings and real-time inventory syncing for Shopify and BigCommerce. And this is particularly useful if you have a really large store with tons of listings and you want to keep things fresh for your customers. Like I mentioned, there's also the AI Listing Optimizer. And again, this lets Doba optimize your listing titles, text, and metadata to be SEO friendly and can help you rank on search results more easily over time. And finally, there's also the AI Listing Migrator. This is a new feature that existing dropshippers will like, since Doba lets you migrate listings between different stores on the same platform. So if you run multiple shops on Shopify, eBay, or BigCommerce, you can quickly duplicate your listings. On top of that, Doba's general product database is immense, and this is where, again, a lot of the value comes from. With Doba, you can literally find thousands of winning products for a given niche with just simple keyword searches. And I also like that there's categories like top ranking products, high profit products, and new arrivals. And overall, this makes it easy to find winning products that are, again, backed by data with solid margins, but also products that aren't too saturated yet. Doba even has sections for finding winning products that are being sold on Temu, Amazon, and Shopify. So again, there is so much data for you to play with. Plus, it has a brand new video hub, so you can actually find winning products to sell that also have high quality video assets showcasing the products. This is honestly huge because these days video is kind of king. So if you're running any kind of paid ads for your products, or you really just want to showcase your store with some active video assets, this is definitely great news. Now guys, I covered how to use Doba Pilot and Doba Pickr to actually build your store and then some of Doba's other features, but you might be wondering, how much does Doba actually cost? Well, currently Doba actually has 4 plans, ranging from its limited plan all the way to its enterprise plan. You can get discounts if you pay quarterly or annually, but if you pay monthly, Doba starts at only $29 per month for its base plan. Now this plan includes 1 store integration, 30 one-click product listings, the AI Store Builder feature, and AI Pickr. And guys, this is honestly more than enough for you to get your first store up and running. Plus, you can always upgrade to the basic plan to unlock way higher inventory and product listing limits and some more advanced research tools. Overall, I think the pricing is a steal because Doba, again, saves you so much time versus doing all of this yourself. And if you paid someone to do what Doba Pilot does, you would spend way more than Doba's subscription cost. Plus, if you leverage Doba's data to find winning products that actually sell well, you will easily make your money back, which is why I'm a fan of using a tool like Doba. Now, if you're curious and want to try out Doba for yourself to either build a dropshipping business or to take your existing dropshipping business to the next level, I'll be linking them down below for you guys to check them out. I also have a unique discount code that I'll put somewhere on screen and in the description box as well that gets you 20% off your Doba plan. So again, it's a perfect time to try out Doba. But anyways, guys, that does it for Doba's main features and its pricing. And really, I want to wrap up this video by kind of answering the question, who should be using a platform like Doba. And really, there's a couple of use cases here where I think paying for something like Doba makes a world of sense. Firstly, any beginner dropshippers looking for a helping hand in getting started could definitely use a tool like Doba. But I also think that intermediate dropshippers who want to scale faster and test more products that are backed by data would get a ton of value here. And finally, anyone looking to manage multiple shops, especially if you're migrating listings between numerous shops on the same platform, will also like Doba. At the end of the day, Doba is one of the most popular dropshipping platforms out there. So if you guys want to start a new dropshipping business or scale your existing one and leverage data to actually find winning products, I think using it is a no-brainer. But anyways, guys, I hope this Doba review and tutorial has been helpful if you're looking to get into dropshipping or you want to revamp your existing stores a little bit and you also want to leverage AI along the way. Now, results aren't guaranteed here, and I can't promise that you'll start using Doba and magically find success overnight with your dropshipping business. But again, with a platform like Doba, you're actually leveraging data. You're not just stumbling around blindly in the dark, so I think it can make a world of difference. I had a ton of fun playing around with Doba Pilot especially, and I really like Doba Pickr as well, so I'm going to keep on working on this dropshipping store. I want to build out the content base for it a little bit, and then I'll go live. So stick around for part 2 because I think I'll be turning this into a mini series. Like I also mentioned, I'll be linking Doba down below if you guys want to check them out as well and also help support the channel. But yeah, that really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.